In this video, we'll show you exactly how to create and share candidate profiles on Top Echelon, a powerful tool designed for recruiters and staffing professionals. If you're looking to streamline your recruitment process, you'll want to stick around until the end of this video. You're about to learn how to leverage this platform to save time and make better, more informed hiring decisions. Top Echelon provides a simple, efficient way to create detailed candidate profiles. These profiles help you track potential hires, manage your recruitment pipeline, and collaborate with your team. But there's more to it than just creating profiles. Sharing them is a key feature that allows you to network with other recruiters and agencies, increasing your chances of finding the right fit for your clients or open positions. Let's dive right into how to create and share candidate profiles on Top Echelon. First, you'll need to log in to your Top Echelon account. If you don't have one, there's a link in the description below where you can try the software for free and you'll get exclusive bonuses. Now, let's walk through the steps. Once you're logged in, navigate to the candidate section. You'll find the Add Candidate button, typically located at the top of your dashboard. Click this to start entering your candidate's details. You'll want to provide as much information as possible to create a thorough profile. Include the candidate's personal information, resume, skills, job history, and any other relevant details that might be important for the position they're being considered for. Top Echelon allows you to attach documents like resumes or cover letters, making it even easier for you to keep all of the necessary information in one place. Once you've entered all the relevant details, click Save. Now your candidate profile is ready, but we don't stop there. The real power of Top Echelon lies in its sharing capabilities. Sharing candidate profiles is a great way to expand your reach and connect with other recruiters. To share a candidate, simply select the profile you want to share and look for the Share button. From there, you can send the profile to another recruiter, either within your network or outside of it. You can share profiles via email or directly within the Top Echelon network. This sharing function allows you to tap into a broader pool of opportunities and increase your chances of finding the right match for your candidates. Whether you're working with a client or collaborating with another recruiter, this feature can be a game changer, and there's more. You can also share notes and comments with your team, making collaboration seamless and ensuring that everyone is on the same page. This is especially useful when you're managing multiple candidates at once or working with a team on complex job orders. It keeps everything organized and ensures that you don't miss any important details. One last tip before we wrap up: Top Echelon also allows you to track candidate progress, so you always know where each candidate stands in your pipeline. This feature is great for keeping your recruitment process efficient and on track. So now that you know how to create and share candidate profiles on Top Echelon, remember that you can get started for free through the link below. Plus, as a bonus, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial of the software. Don't miss out. This is a fantastic tool for any recruiter looking to improve their workflow and collaboration. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out the first link in the description for your extended free trial and dive deeper into the full range of Top Echelon's features.